The truth about yoga career. Can you make money? Yes, it depends upon how you approach it. See, certified professionals tend to earn more because they have got a deeper understanding of the philosophy. Hi, this is Anubhav Seth, a yoga therapist with 10 years of teaching experience. I've trained more than 10,000 students till now. There are multiple sources of income. You can take online classes, offline classes, you can take a corporate sessions, you can take one-on-one therapy sessions. Ayush certified professionals are in high demand because students and the corporates tend to hire someone who is certified under Ayush. Yoga therapy and corporate yoga are high income niches because so many corporates are recruiting yoga professionals who are certified under Ayush so that they can help the employees be happy and healthy, so that the company's productivity can be improved. Consistency and knowing how to implement your knowledge in your live session is the key to success. For example, Aishwarya, who had the knowledge but she was not able to take yoga as a career. After she did her yoga certification, she was able to apply her knowledge in a live session that gave her huge success, that she was able to start her own studio online. Yoga is a career of impact plus income. You help people achieve their goals so that you can achieve your goals. If you're someone who want to take yoga as a career, want to know how to get certified under the Ministry of Ayush, you can attend a free orientation where we can share about how to get certified under the Ministry of Ayush, what are the career opportunities, how to be certified under Ayush, how to work as a corporate yoga expert. You can click on the link below and register for a free orientation.